All right, Cash Custom back again. Coilover is in, looking decent. Tucked all the way up in there. Got the spindle back on. Threw the Zerk on the bottom of the lower ball joint. Flushed out all the black grease, got the red in there. It's looking decent. Button up top and bottom. Looks pretty nice. So, one thing I'm missing now, just a little bump stop. It's on order though. I'll get it in there. And yeah, just gotta do the other side. So, went in pretty cool. Ain't got to compress no spring or nothing like that. When I adjust the ride height, it'll be on the car with the weight on it. Other than that, it's at the bottom. And I think that'll be it up front. Steering linkage, all that's on the way. Oh, the rear, it's over there. Got my lower adjustable extended length upper and lower control arms coming from UMI. They on order. They ought to be here next week. Do another video, putting that Fort 9 together. Third member's in there, tucked away, fully assembled. True track, 31 spline. Throw the fluid in that. Breathing tube. Rear coils. Oh, I think I'm gonna go with the regular shocks for now. See what it looks like as far as rear coilovers. Might squat, might not. But yeah, this is what it looks like for now. And they're going good. Whatever I needed to go, it's gonna be there. So, stay tuned.